Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Aries. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, for your daily energies, and I'll be picking two cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So, one card for your career situation and one card for your relationship, guys. So, these are for your daily energies, Aries, and we'll be picking cards from this deck. So one card for your, this is for your career situation, and this card is for your relationship, guys. So we'll open the cards as we proceed, Aries. So for your daily energies, guys, Ace of Pentacles, Nine of Wands in reverse, Justice in reverse, Aries. Aries, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, you are seeing success in your work situation or in your career, in your relationship, guys, or some new beginning is coming your way, guys. You feel happy for it. Things are falling into place. Your hard work is paying off, but not without certain trials. So whatever rewards you are getting, you have certain trials and obstacles to be overcome. That is what I see here. Maybe in your career situation, maybe this job that you are taking up, or your business ventures, some new ventures that you are planning on, you may face lots of obstacles, but you are overcoming all that. You have that confidence and strength. That is what I see here, guys. And maybe you may be too severe on yourself. You may be pushing yourself really hard to make things go for your benefit. You are trying really hard, pushing yourself. You are relentless in your efforts. So that may be stressing you little. So not little, guys, stressing you a lot today. So you need to avoid that. You need to be aware of that. You need to go for quality work that will help you in reaching your goals instead of stressing too much. So you need to go for that quality of your efforts. That is what I see here, guys. So this may relate to your work situation or your relationship, guys. Your efforts, what you are trying to overcome, those obstacles that may be in your work situation or your relationship. So let us see what is the oracles, wisdom oracles guidance for you all for your career situation, guys. So this card will answer what questions you have regarding your career situation. So what deep thoughts you have. So we'll turn the card. Fork in the road. Aries, with this card, the energy is that, guys, for your career situation, you are in a situation where you need to make an important decision today, guys. So you have to know the consequences, and you should be able to you should be ready to act on that choice, whatever you are making. So whatever choices you are making, you will either further your dreams by choosing left or right, or you will go by the way what other people have traveled, or you will go the other way. This is your choice and yours alone. So you need to take heart no matter what is your situation, guys. So whatever choice that you are making, you have to go with certain changes in your life. to become better, to get things better from your circumstances. So you need to think deeply what you need. So you need to ask that question in yourself regarding your career. What do you want to become, and what do you believe in? And in order to live a prosperous life, what is that you need? And when you answer honestly from your heart, the decision what you make will be effortless. So you will answer it with your honesty. So choice is in your hands, guys. You need to see it with your intuition. So whatever is right for you, you need to settle for that direction in which way you need to go, guided by your intuition. When you do that, you will go in the right way, and you will reach you will march towards your well-being, guys. That is what I see here with this card for your career situation. So whatever your intuition tells you, which choice works for you in your career, you need to make it, guys. That is what I see here. So what is the card for your relationship? Breathe. Aries, with this card, the energy is that, guys, this is the time for you to wait. So you need to be really patient in your situation. You should not make any decisions in a hurry. You have to wait for the right time. Your heart needs time to open. So in this relationship, just relax, take time, enjoy this present moment. There is no need for anxiety. So you need to enjoy each and every day that you have with this person. And patience is a virtue, guys, and it pays off in many meaningful ways. So your heart knows what you need to do. So you should let go of your ego in this situation today. So you should not decide with your ego. You should let go of it. Think with your heart. So you will know what you need to do. So for today, the oracle's guidance is for you to wait. So slow and steady will win the race, guys, and it will being slow, being patient today will help you a lot. That is what is the oracle's guidance for you, Aries, and that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aries.